Hello everyone, welcome to another lovely episode with JayFx. Welcome to a Wyckoff analysis breakdown. I'm going to make this as simple and short as possible. This is just an insight into EURNZD. This is on the 4-hour time frame. And then we're currently looking at a possible Wyckoff redistribution schematic. So what you're seeing on my screen is a redistribution schematic. Now, it might not look exactly as what you have on the picture, but a similarity that you can find is basically in how market structure operates. So when you're looking at Wyckoff, especially when you're trying to identify the schematics and you're trying to know where it's supposed to be, what I need you to understand is that you're supposed to focus more on the principles that govern Wyckoff, which is like market structure, supply and demand, support and resistance, and then you try to identify the similarities between the pattern that is being displayed. So currently we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, and we have a possible redistribution. And mind you, for those of you who don't know what a redistribution is, a redistribution happens as a means of reaccumulating liquidity in a downtrend. So for this to be a redistribution, this has to be an already initiated downtrend. As you can see, this was the first wave. This was the drop. This was the first accumulation of liquidity, which we call a distribution. And then this happened. This is the first redistribution. And then we had this other one here. So what we have currently is the possible area of interest, which is this rally base drop. We identified as the uptrust action, and then which is also a supply zone. So we're expecting either a test was supposed to happen at this point, but it's possible we could have a Wyckoff without a test. So that's why we have the second zone here, which is this last point of supply. As you can see, it's happening within the range, the consolidation range of this redistribution, which is a possible zone for a strong reaction. So it's either we have this mitigated or we have this mitigated. So for now, I can't say I'm bullish because as you can see, the price action is very corrective and doesn't have any bullish momentum. But there's every tendency that once price moves to this point, we're going to see a massive drop because as you can see, it's at the 50% of the accumulated range. So let's see how it goes. And this is a Wyckoff analysis breakdown. For those of you who are new, who don't know me, you can check out my Telegram platform where we share free analysis and you can communicate with the community where other traders also share their ideas like I do. So if you're new to trading or you're experienced in trading, you're looking for an active community where you can find constant analysis like what you're seeing on the screen, you can check us out on Telegram. The link is in the description. Thank you, and I'll see you on a different video. Bye.